Want to do a course about the internet? On the internet? Welcome to Mktg2032, the premier online learning experience at the ANU. Hi, I'm Dr Stephen Dann, host of Mktg2032 and talking head of the Research School of Management's Marketing Group subjects. You may have seen me before in Mktg2004 Marketing. Here in Mktg2032, we take advantage of my 25 years plus of hanging about on the internet, doing online things, and generally messing about with technology, and bring that to you as the learning experience. The best way to encounter eMarketing is to do it online. We're based on the idea of customer co-creation value, where what you put into the course will help you get out of the course something truly personal, truly customized, and of great value to you. We have a Monday afternoon and a Monday evening seminar. So if you're a daytime kind of person, we've got a daylight class. If you're a night person, we've got an evening class. On a Tuesday, we've got a set of tutorials in a room with our tutor. On a Wednesday, if neither of those two experiences have been good for you and you just can't make a Monday class, we've got the very own self-service vending machine of education option, which every Wednesday, Monday night's class in self-delivery mode. 4 assessment tasks: live, breathe, and enjoy the internet experience through our participation and engagement training. 2 back-to-back projects: the technology engagement analysis, which kicks off your project, pitches it to me and tells me what you're going to do for the next 10 weeks of that project's lifespan, which you then go off and you run your project, and then you come to the e-taper, the e-technology performance review, where you tell me how it went. And to wrap it all up, we have the e-portfolio, which is there to help you bring together that weekly experience into one big, happy, cohesive narrative at the end. Think of it as lifestyle tourism vlogging, but with a lot less queuing up at the airport and having to take your shoes off. Mktg2032. It's been a blast. It's done well in the reviews. It's been a huge amount of fun to teach. I hope to see you in the sessions or see your projects along the forums, because we are here to support you get the best out of the internet and to enjoy learning about technology whilst you're soaking in it and using it and applying it in practice.